Right, here's my heater as it is today. We're running out of this barrel. I've got 2 running out of that. I've got another one going up through this one, and it goes up through a 10 meters of brake hose, brake pipe, up to my bedroom and ensuite and bathrooms upstairs. But this one, it's sucking the air from the house here through the heater, then back out there. It's running on a power pack from inside the house with the controller extended. You can buy extended leads. I'll put all these things in the description. So the air intake for the combustion's down here. You don't want that in your house because it can fume back out. Then the exhaust is here, and it's just a short one, and it's just tucked into this pipe because the last one carboned up because I run it on too thicker oil, old oil, and it carboned up. So as you can see, it when the rain runs, it runs back down out of that thing, or the dust drops back out. This is just a piece off a trampoline with the holes welded up. Then it's welded onto a bit of an exhaust. It goes out the roof. Yeah, I'll put inline filters on them all, so don't get any trouble with it blocking up or anything. So the air's coming in from here, hot, and it's sucking it out from behind my TV there. It's on a power pack, which is this one. So this one is a 15 amp one. Alright, and it's the controller's here, and I've got a SwitchBot switch, which will turn it on and off. So you can use Alexa to turn that on and off. So if I'd say, if I want to turn it off now, I'll go, Alexa, heater off. And it turns it off. But you need, to run that, you need a SwitchBot controller, one of these, to use the Wi-Fi. So that tells you the temperature and that. You can go on there. You can set that to any infrared as well. So it'll turn the television on in my kitchen. So I'll go, Alexa, TV on. Alexa, TV off.
Once again, loads and loads.
So there you have it. So I changed the exhaust to like this because the other one was a 3 meters of this. It was running fine until I put waste engine oil through it or something, and it carboned it up and ruined it. So now it's in a bigger pipe. There's no restriction. When it does start, you might get a bit of white smoke come out of here before it lights up properly. But we're in my outside kitchen area with the side open, so that works fine. Like and subscribe. Happy heating.